I used one pack of this straight braiding hair that I had laying around my apartment for the knotless braids. It was a bit long and I only had one pack, so I decided to cut it in half to stretch it. Cutting the hair makes it blunt, which results in thick ends, and I didn't want that, so I blended it and stretched it. I separated the braiding hair into small pieces so that I can continuously braid each section without having to stop. I didn't have the sectioning tool that they use in the salon, so I just laid the hair out on my ironing board. I reused these clip-ins I got a few years ago to give the braids a boho vibe. First applied some mousse and then finger detangled to make the hair more manageable. Then I cut the clips off and separated the hair into small pieces and laid them out just like I did the straight hair. To prep my natural hair, I washed, deep conditioned, and stretched it using the blow dryer. Parting determines how your hair will fall, so I choose to divide mine into 3 sections. Then I use the diamond method for the smaller parts. I used 2 methods to install my braids. For the first one, I started by braiding my natural hair at the roots a few times, then gradually added small straight pieces followed by the curly pieces. I saw some of the girls online holding curly pieces in their mouths to keep it out of the way, so I tried it, but then I quickly realized that I hated it, so I decided to secure it in a different way. Don't worry, I'll show you that method just now. Because my hair is pretty short, it was sticking out a bit, so I applied some of this edge fixer to help keep my ends tucked in under the braids while I braided it. When I get to the ends, I secure it with a few knots, then I clip the excess hair off. The second method I used is, I braided my natural hair a few times at the root, then I added a curly piece. I secured it with a clip to keep it out of the way. Then I added the straight pieces. Honestly, I prefer this method over the first one. After braiding all of my hair, I applied some mousse so I can see how the hair would look. Then I started the cleanup process. To ensure that my ends don't unravel, I opted to seal it by burning it. You can also use hair glue instead if you prefer that method. And that's it, guys. Let me know which style you want to see me do next.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding.